Hello again viewers, we're in Fuengirola, Costa del Sol. It's 25 degrees but it's windy, it's spitting the rain a wee bit as well. This is a really nice beach. Let's take a wee walk along the beach I think. Let me just fix this camera. Hopefully better. It's very windy. Still pretty nice. Just a wee bit further up there, maybe a 5-minute walk, we've got Fuengirola Castle. Maybe more than 5 minutes, can you go up the hill to it? Let me know if you've been to the castle or the museum. Let me know in the comments what's the best beach in the Costa del Sol. So in the past few days I've seen Marbella, Torremolinos, Benalmádena. I don't know, they're all really good beaches I think. Really good beaches. Just going to be a wee short one today. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Kevin, I do walks. Mostly in hot places. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, just click the wee button below the video that says subscribe, it's absolutely free. Give it a wee like as well, that's free. This is the place to have a meal, a glass of wine and a beer, isn't it? Without a doubt. Pretty busy. So this bit here's a wee bit kind of, is it shingles, or rocky. So I would say this is not as good a beach as some of the other ones I've seen, although it's still a nice beach, especially further up. It's a bit more clearer. So wherever you're watching this, if it's raining today, hope you're enjoying a wee bit of sun behind the clouds. It is windy here and it's spitting the rain to be honest with you, but it's still nice. Okay, so they're doing some open cooking over there, I don't know if you can see the flames. Guys cooking some stuff there. Nice. Hopefully the wind will die down later on. I think it's forecast is to die down. There's a lot more people on the beach. Oh, it's getting windier. Wee cocktail bar across the road. That is a nice beach. So just a really quick one today, showing you a wee bit of the beach, Fuengirola. Check out the wee playlist in the channel I've got called Beaches. We've got beaches in Tenerife, Gran Canaria, Scotland. Thanks so much for watching, I really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next exciting video from another destination. Thank you.